And we're back. So we took a little afternoon break and now we went over to Magic Kingdom. Excited, Emma?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna do a lot of stuff. We're gonna do like Big Thunder and Seven Dwarfs and maybe do Pirates, Haunted Mansion. We're gonna have a fun night. There's Main Street, there's the castle. Spending a lot of time at the other parks in this trip. Haven't spent a lot of time at Magic Kingdom yet, so decided to do all the big rides at Magic Kingdom. We're walking in about, it's a little after 5 o'clock. See what the crowds are like right now. Still hot, ready for that sun to go away.
So it shows the route for the Jungle Cruise. Pretty cool. Amazon River, Mekong River, Congo, Nile. It looks cool.
Makani, Bertha.
I can't see anybody. Canoe. If you guys get one of those things that it tips over on you, you wear as a hat. If it's any capsize. Yikes! Whatever the beast makes. Doesn't mean you do not want that thing to have a crush on you or a stretching relationship. Or just a python. Not a boa. I don't see any feathers. Educational programming brought to you by PBS. Pretty please. Okay, you're just monkeying around again. Well, it's time for their shenanigans, looking like a banana and split. In the circle of life, we got some short animals. We got some really, really tall animals. We also got some of the oldest animals here in the jungle. It's my zebra friends up on that hill. We do know they're the oldest because, well, they're still in black and white. One of the lions' favorite snack, zebra on the rocks. Remember, guys, those lions who share their meal with such pride. What's a rhino anyway, right? Look at the point later. Hey guys, wait for this all day. Wow, it's amazing. Spectacular. The bombastic. The eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of it's not yours and they don't wear their trunks today. Believe all that he's done, he brings back from stroller parking, but you're probably gonna notice the breeze of the monkey. As you guys on to your next adventure, and if you guys please remain seated with your hands on seat place inside the boat at all times. Watch your children. Please take all your birds.
So we finished our first ride of the evening, Jungle Cruise, super fun. And now on to Pirates, Henry's favorite. Henry, are you excited? Found Jack.
Tis only me what's got the goods.
The devils of black should really bad eggs. Drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all.
Okay, ride number 3 of our evening, Splash Mountain. We're gonna cool off. That's why we have ponchos at all times. These kiddos do not like to get wet, but Henry agrees to do Splash Mountain as long as he has his poncho. I foresee this in our future. Clouds are moving in. Comes drop number 1. Oh, the buildup. Not too bad. It's okay in the back. There they are. Trouble.
Look yonder, there goes Blue Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear. As usual.
Let me go!
Say, where's that? How about I take you to my dancing place? Except I don't expect you to be doing much laughing.
Comes the big drop.
Well, we're wrapping our face. I'll just have to suck it.
Oh no. I got wet
Just in the face, huh?
in the face.
Oh no, the waterfall's on today. Wait, another one? Ah!
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling, wonderful day.
The Magic Kingdom swimming pool. Putting on kind of a lightning show tonight. Fortunately, we were in line for Big Thunder, and then that didn't happen. It got shut down, but we had dinner, and now we're headed back out. It's not raining, just a little bit of lightning around, so we're gonna try to hit some of the indoor rides. Head over to Peter Pan and maybe Haunted Mansion and see what else we can do. There's good lighting.
Pixie dust, and off we go!
There's the mermaids. Looks like Ariel.
Storm's finally starting to move past. And now some of the outdoor stuff is opening again, so we're gonna do Jungle Cruise again. My niece Sarah didn't get to do it earlier, so she joined us. We're gonna have fun, see if we get a little different experience from our skipper. And then we're gonna hit Big Thunder too. So it's working out pretty well. A lot of people left too because of the storm, so it's fun.
Dance instructor, your plant expert. Oh, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Alright. Now we are starting off here in the Amazon rainforest, and you might see some butterflies around here. These guys can grow from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. That's why they're known as the rulers of the forest, true monarchs. Now coming up here we do have the amazing, almost Inspiration Falls. Now we like to call it Inspiration Falls because it really inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Now we're going into the Congo River, so I guess we'll see how far we can go. Time for what you all came here for today. The 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. Yes, good old O2H. Don't worry, I only make those chemistry jokes periodically.
Look at this. Just so empty right now. It rained for several hours, so it really deterred people, but we're gonna enjoy these end park hours with low crowds.
It is 75 degrees out right now.
And it is an extended evening hour, so regular park closes in about 20 minutes, but then there's 2 more hours if you have extended evening hours. So this is awesome.
So pretty. Tomorrowland Speedway at nighttime. Woohoo! Let me get a view of Tron. Look at that. Woo! Tron and Space Mountain at night. My little driver. Look at this little man. Woo! There they are. Making progress on here. So pretty. There's the castle. There's Tomorrowland. There's Space Mountain. There's Tron. It's so fun. You're such a good driver, Henry.
Yeah, I recommend the extended evening hours. Yeah.
Nobody here.
You can handle this. There's still over an hour left.
I know. We're not even, it's not even midnight yet. We still got a whole another hour.
Watch out for the camel, though. He still spits.
We still spit.
Okay, time for the last ride of the day. Pirates. We get our own boat because there's nobody behind us. Here we go, buddy. Pirates again.
There he is. There's Captain Jack.
Quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
He wants the rum.
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
For the rum.
For the rum.
Studying me map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow.
I raise a toast to all my many shipmates lost at sea. Salute. They got to be on the show. Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves, they got to be on the show. The devils and black sheep, really bad eggs, they got to be on the show.